Hi there guys, it's Easy Fix FX here, back again with another video. And in this video guys, I just want to show you guys how I managed to flip a really small account to a big account. And I just want to show you guys exactly how you guys can do it with the correct strategy and with the correct trading plan. So I just want to show you guys in this video how I managed to do it and how I do this quite regularly with very small accounts, and I managed to flip them with the strategy to big accounts. I've actually quadrupled this account, but I'm just going to show you how I deposited $30 and it flipped that into like $80, and from there I've actually turned it into just over just short of $200. So I just want to show you guys with this strategy you can swing trade, day trade and scalp. It's just a beautiful all-round strategy, and I just want to take you guys through it. So chat soon guys. Hi there guys, so just looking at this, as you can see guys, it's a live account. I had $9.49 in the account, so I deposited $30 just so I could start with a decent balance of $40. I didn't want to start with too little, but yeah, just with this strategy guys, you can literally take a very small account, even from $40 or $50 up until $500 to $1,000 easily within a short time frame. All you need is two indicators guys. One is the RSI, but the thing is you need the correct settings on the RSI and the way that I've got it set up, and the other indicator is in your platform, and that pinpoints the entries for you guys. Please like, subscribe and share to my videos guys. I really appreciate that as well. So with the other indicator, that's the indicators in your platform, but you guys need the correct settings on it, and that's gonna basically show you guys when to enter and actually find the sniper entry. But the RSI is used for something else as well within the strategy. So as you can see guys, look at the percentage gain on the account, 88.6. You'll see by the end of this trade I make about 102% on this trade, so actually more than doubled the small account. But if you don't, I'm not saying that you'll double your account every trade. I'm just saying you can use this strategy. This is for demonstration purposes only, but I make serious gains on my account with just this strategy. I want to show you guys what you can actually do with a good strategy guys. It's absolutely insane. Just watch what I'm going to show you next. So guys, I just want to quickly take you into the compounding calculator and just show you guys what you can do with a really small account and a very good strategy with a major edge in the market. As you can see, we start with $100, and each trade, if we do 100%, so each trade we double our account. Look how crazy this is guys. And only 13 trades guys, starting with $100, and only 13 trades. You're only 13 trades away from being literally a millionaire from $100 guys. All you need is a good strategy, guys. All you need is a very good strategy that finds the tops and bottoms in the markets. You need a strategy that can make serious gains on your account. Well, that's going to help you make serious gains on your account. Look here, guys. If we do 50% on each trade, so each trade we do 50%. Every time we take a trade, and only 23 trades. You're only 23 trades away from being a millionaire, guys. Look at that. If you do 50% each trade with this strategy, guys, you can do at least, I'd say, 25% on your account per trade. If you trade like starting with a small account, this is only advised for small accounts to really ramp up small accounts very, very quickly, guys. This is what I've done. I've taken $100 to over $10,000 or more just with this strategy. Look at this, guys. Even if we do 25% per trade, starting with $100, you're only 42 trades away, guys. Only 42 trades away. Look, we click on calculate. We're only 42 trades away by doing 25% per trade to literally making over $1 million. You guys mustn't overtrade. You need the correct strategy that gives you an edge, and then you need to go in aggressive in the markets. If you want to take a small account to a serious account quickly, guys, you seriously need the strategy. It's going to really help you guys and give you guys the confidence to actually flip your small accounts into big accounts that you can actually live off, because the whole point of trading is to live off your account. But look at, I'm just trying to put you guys in the mindset of how quickly you can become a millionaire from Forex. Look here, starting with $100 and only 14 trades. It's $1 million, nearly $2 million. You're only 14 trades away from being a millionaire. 13 or 14 trades, guys. It's absolutely insane. If you think about it, this is the beauty of trading. This is the beauty about trading, guys. You're so close to being financially free, but you need the right strategy, the right trading plan, and the right mindset. You need a proper edge in the markets. And with this strategy, I promise you guys, you can ramp up your accounts so quickly. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to show you the gain on the account. Now guys, as you can see, look here, guys, I've flipped the account from $40 to nearly $80. By the time this trade closes, I'll make about, I think it turned into like $82 or something like that. Now guys, trading is simple. All you need is the right combination of indicators. We're only using 2 indicators here, the RSI and the other one I'm not going to reveal, but it's one in your trading platform. You guys all have access to it, but you guys need the correct settings on your indicators. It's all about having the correct settings so that you can pinpoint. But we also use price action, guys. So we look at the candlesticks as well with the strategy. So we look at price action, we look at the RSI, and we got another indicator. And basically, with these 3 combinations, you find these sniper entries in the markets. You get 3 or 4 setups like this, I think, per week, guys, at least. Every day, literally every day, there's an opportunity to literally double your account with the strategy. It's unbelievable, guys. I'm not saying you're going to double your account every strategy. If you try and make between 20 to 50% in your account per trade, I'm not saying trade the strategy with a big account and try double your account. That'll be stupid. I'm saying start with small money and go aggressive, guys. Go aggressive. You've seen the numbers before that I've showed you, how quickly you can get financially free with Forex with the right strategy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. 100% gain on this account, on the small account in one trade, guys. It only took an hour and 45 minutes to hit take profit. I'm showing you guys live on mobile MT4. You can use the strategy on mobile MT4 or MT4 on your PC or on TradingView, any system, any platform you have, on Ninja Trader, on C Trader, any broker. All you need is a very good strategy, guys. You need the confidence with your strategy. Every time you take a trade, you need that confidence to kill the markets every time. So guys, the link to this actual strategy is in the description below of this video. It's included now in my course, so all the students that have bought my course now will also have access to the strategy. Look at that, guys, 101%. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Hit take profit. Look at the balance now, guys. $79.9 from $40. We doubled the account, guys. From $39, we doubled the account. As you can see here, guys, deposit of $30. I actually withdrew the $30 straight after that, so I'm trading now with risk-free money. So the deposit is actually would be put back in my bank account now. So now I'm trading with risk-free money, all money from the markets. It's all free money now that I'm trading with. So check now, guys, a week later, I'm showing you guys a week later, I've already flipped that $49 to nearly $200, guys. About a week later, I've just flipped this account. Every couple of days, I've just been taking trade setups with this strategy and just going in deep, going in hard with this strategy. This is how I flip small accounts into big accounts, guys. Quickly. So guys, you need the knowledge, guys. You need the strategy. You need to actually invest in yourself first before you tackle these markets, guys. So if you want the strategy, if you want to stop spending countless hours on YouTube and Google and stressing out every night, every day, watching videos and trying to learn how to trade, just click that link, guys, and get it over with. Learn how to trade properly, and then you can start making money in these markets. It's all available to you guys now for a very low cost. Literally, I'm giving it away for nothing, guys. So please, guys, invest in yourself and start making money in these Forex markets, and so we can all achieve this financial freedom, guys. All right, before I take it off, guys, because I've worked very hard for this strategy, for my systems. But if you want them, guys, they're now available. Just click that link below and you can have it all, guys. Peace, guys. Chat soon.